Chief Electoral Officer Dr. BDR Tiwari mentakasi kesan trek lar arjar arpundreu ong balapan ya ke Electoral Roll balapan kre arjar arpundreu na kebenta berok kendreu pauteligi constituency hak jela katkum ke Special Intensive Revision arjar arpundreu ke balapan penada ke Election Commission ke India. Katkum kini kejeng menkreah kebayade berke SIR kinong tabut barok kidan arpulai lak sau kendah jar ndres pak sau pesan ngut kini kelong katkum kejeng dan kinong tabut katkum ke SIR arjar san hadin pala sedang ya ke SIR lesyam ba shilak prapo hajar sau spa arngut ke bom syam la penrung ha ke Electoral Roll bala penkre na pedeng kini prapo hajar sau spa kendai po dei ki bala klar Sau san hajar kat wengot kiba omlap syai kidan sau puar hajar san sepak lai puar day kiba lami kibam tiap ban syem ya ki forman penrung kerteng kidan sau jan res pak ndar prangot bar kiba syak weng kerteng namar ba kidan kerteng ha ki artli ki jaka kilong ndre hajar nyos pa iwengot. Hadin bala pendap ya ke SIR kinong tabut kat kum ke Electoral Roll arjar arpundre bala depan krek kinong tabut kidan arpuwe lak ndre kunda hajar arspa sau pulai ngut. Kishendrang kidan shpaulak san pula hajar live kundai ngut ki kentei kidan khatwe lak khandre hajar shispa khandai kundai bat ki ba ki gong kidan san ngut ya kani ke Electoral Roll bala pendap pynkhreh la pelai pai ba manda kasni ha barok ki office jong ki Deputy Commissioner bat Civil Subdivision ha kejala ha ka bayade ber ki jakat tap vote ke Election Commission ke India kal ai jing menjor ya ki khandai pratali ki jakat tap vote ki batamai da kani ke jingdan ki jakat tap vote ha kejala barok kawe kala kêu syakalah jan terus pak lai penyoteli na kama menshua kidon lah jar san spa san puai teli ha kejuk kepala itu baladan menu bejak kerteng neduk mentah kesini kesan trek unai lar arjar arpundreu haduk kesau trek unai lur arjar arpundreu kila ban penrung kerteng yang lede dah kawaki pendap ya kepom ndriu ya kepom la ban Aisyah BLO lane syak ketenat election jong ki Deputy Commissioner ringkat ki kot ki selawan pensya ban yok rung ha ke Electoral Roll.
So as per the summary which already been shared, now in the draft electoral roll there are 21,69,243 electors and all 1,80,402 electors under ASDT categories are now being removed from the electoral roll as their name is not been appeared. We further reiterate that the draft electoral roll is not the final electoral roll. Every eligible elector had the opportunity to verify their particulars and file claims or objections during the statutory period from 5th August to 4th September, and authorities will dispose of all these claims in between 5th August till 3rd of October. So electors are advised to check their names also through this voter service portal is http://voter.eci.gov.in or http://ceo.meghalaya.nic.in or through ECI net app or through their respective booth level officers or the office of concerned electoral registration officer. So a very important advisory through all the media person to all the electors. If your name appears in the draft electoral roll and is successfully mapped with the SIR 2005 record, no further action is required in those cases. So which is more than around 90% of the total electorate. So, but in case of your name appears in the draft electoral roll, but is not mapped in the SIR 2005 records, you will receive a notice from the electoral registration officer through BLO and you are requested to appear for the hearing on the scheduled date. Time and venue with the required supporting document. And as you are also aware, the list of the supporting documents already been given back side of the enumeration form. But for the general information, I would like to further mention any identity card, pension payment order issued to a regular employee, pensioner of any central government, state government or PSU, Any identity card, certificate, document issued in India by the government, local authorities, banks, post office, LIC, PSUs prior to 1st July 1987, birth certificate issued by the competent authority, passport, matriculation or educational uh, certificate issued by recognized board and universities, permanent residence certificate issued by the competent state authority, forest rights certificates, OBC, ST, SC certificate or any caste certificate issued by competent authority, National Register of Citizen wherever it exists, it is not in Meghalaya, family register maintained by government official under any statute administrative regulation, any land, house, patta allotment certificate by the government, and for Aadhaar with certain restrictions, the Commission's direction issued wide letter dated 9 September 2025, and one another document is the extract of the SIR in the previous other states whoever shifted. So 13 states already completed the SIR process in the first two phases and the intensive revision process in the state of Assam, so they can also produce those extracts. So these are the documents which will be produced along with the filing of claim and objections once they come for the hearing. So those people whose record has not been mapped with the SIR 2005 database.